me, well, as you all know, Megan O'Rourke, are having a burping contest. We have another contestant who is now in the closet and is scared to come out. Go back in. Well, okay, well, you gotta comment, subscribe. Which one is better? Which burps are better? Me or Anna's? Nice. We also have a fart bomb we will be using.
I think it's already been used. Okay,
Well, burp now. We shall burp. That was some. Don't smell like anything. Ew! Ew! It smells like your fart. It stinks. Ew, my arm stinks. Now your turn. I lost my fart. Let's go. I think I'm gonna puke. Then I have my monster. It doesn't stink that bad, actually. Oh, I don't think I should sit on Well, make love to the camera. And I'm only 11 years old. I'm also known as Maggie Poo. I have a YouTube account. It's small. Smell my arm. Smell it.
mm-mm.
Smell it.
No.
I got the fart bomb thing on it.
Ew.
Ew! Ew! Bye.